Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Magic of Marvel, a brand new release of an Oracle deck from Insight Editions. This retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link exactly where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Check it out because from now until October 30th, I'm running a 30% off sale just for my viewers, followers, and subscribers. So check it all out there. I will leave all of those links down below. Now, let's get into it. All right. It includes a fully illustrated 44 card deck and a 64-page guidebook. Experience the magic of Marvel like never before in this enchanting and delightfully unique take on the traditional Oracle deck. This set features beloved characters from the Hulk to Iron Man, Vision, Scarlet Witch, and more in gorgeous original illustrations based on classic Oracle iconography. All right, so far, oh, there it is. Written by Casey Gilly. Oh, that's a familiar name. And illustrated by Sol Devia. That's awesome. All right, let's get into it. Packaging is basic and simple. I like it. We've got a ribbon. Very thin little guidebook, but that's okay. Ooh, we have Storm. Okay, I like the Art Deco look. That's fun. The Marvel logo. All right. So before we get into this, let's just take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know. So we just have an introduction, unleashing your deck, the cards, and then preparing for a reading. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited. All right, using this guidebook and cards, we will learn to perform readings, do daily pulls for inspiration, and even incorporate these cards into other tarot decks. All right. Then we go into the cards. I just want to see. There's some good information in here. Very basic. And then we have a 3-card spread. The Shapeshifter, revealing hidden truths. The Web, feeling stuck. Cute. That's very cute. And Ready, Aim, Fire, or planning your next move. Okay, not too bad. Now let's get into it. 44 cards. I will say that the price point is around the same price point as their tarot decks, which you have more cards and you have a thicker guidebook. So I'm going to keep that in mind as well. The cards, oh, these are a lot thinner. They're a lot thinner. Look at that. Okay, well, you know, let's keep going. They are a matte. I'm excited to see the character renditions here. Okay, so no numbers. I'm assuming it goes alphabetical in the guidebook. And there's a little quote down below, or a little blurb. The artwork is really fun. Oh. Yes. I want to know down in the comment section which Marvel character is your favorite. Mine, I have a lot of favorites, but my favorite of favorite is Scarlet Witch. I mean, obviously. And I like that they're doing like they're not using like specific movie character renditions. They're just kind of making it a little bit more ambiguous. Oh, yay, we have Deadpool. Oh my goodness. I'm just here for the snacks. Same. That's a really cool Dr. Doom. Doc Ock. The art is fun. I really like the art. Yay! Oh, I love Doctor Strange too. Domino. That was a cool character. Every time I see Ghost Rider now, it's just Nick Cage, unfortunately, or, you know, fortunately, depending on your view about it. The character is really cool, though. Oh, Hella, her outfit, yes. Amazing. I knew of a couple of the cards that were going to be featured in here, but the ones that I didn't, I'm really excited to see. That's an interesting question. What are you really protecting? Jubilee! Oh my goodness. It takes me back. Oh my goodness. He is adorable. Oh my gosh. This is, I feel like, everybody's favorite character, Loki. I like the rendition. Glorious purpose. I enjoyed this show a lot. Oh, I still need to watch that show. This one is really cool. Oh, yay. It's really popping off outside, so I am sorry if you hear a lot of outside noise. Yay! That's cool. This has been a fun show to watch. I've been enjoying it. Shuri. Cute. Unfamiliar with this character. Yes. She was always one of my favorite X-Men. Being able to manipulate the weather like that. Yes. And she's so strong and smart and love it. Yay. Oh, here's another crowd favorite. Oh. And the last one we've got Wolverine. I am shocked that I did not see Captain America in here. Did I? Yeah, just Captain Marvel. Wow, I am shocked at that. Okay. Well, you know what? There's a lot of characters in here that I wasn't expecting to be in here, and I like that. They weren't just, you know, the characters of the movie series. Okay, so yes, the cards are thin, but they're not paper thin. They are shuffling really well. So there's flexibility there. Am I disappointed in the cardstock for the price point? Yes. However, it is not really a deal breaker since they are shuffling well and there's not a huge, it's not a 78 card deck. So, you know, it's shuffling just fine. So I'll see how well they hold up within a year, but we'll see. But I'm not mad at it yet. I am, however, a little disappointed about the price point compared to their tarot decks. It seems like it's either, some of their tarot decks are $24.99, some of them are $27.99. So the fact that you're paying the same price for 78 cards and a bigger guidebook is a little frustrating. I would love to put this at like 21, 22, if that. But I get it. There's licensing fees and all of that. So I'm not sure, you know, how they go about their price points. But, you know, that's a little discouraging for me. However, I really do like the art style. I like the character choices. So, you know, I'm a little torn on that. But let's read the guidebook and see what we can check out from that. So, oh yeah, there's not that much in here. Okay, so we got America Chavez. This is what we're going to read for. And it says, the best way is your way. All right. So America Chavez offers her hand to you, welcoming you to explore freedom from routine. There is a need for intensely creative, individualistic thinking in your world, and it's time for you to break free from tradition. She represents independence and gives you permission to do things your way. Okay. So yeah, not a lot there in the guidebook. However, it gets to the point. This is very beginner friendly. I like the idea of it. I don't know. I'm torn. Like, of course I'm going to use it, but like, I'm torn as far as the price point goes. I really would have put this at like $20, $19.99 compared to their other decks. I feel like that was a missed opportunity there. Maybe numbering them would have been good too, but again, it's an Oracle deck, so it's not that important to number it. The designs are really cool. I love the artwork. I love the art style. And again, very cool that they added a lot of characters that I wasn't particularly familiar with, or the characters that are very, they're not like overly saturated in the market. So that was really cool to see too. So, you know, I feel like there's purpose for this. I feel like if you are a Marvel fan, this is really fun and different, and the vibe of this is fun, and I feel like you can get really good readings off of this. It does feel a little cash grabby with the price point. But other than that, I feel like the spreads were well done, and there's enough information in here to be really intuitive and insightful. So there's that. Again, I'm feeling a little bit torn. Let me know what you guys think. The cardstock, again, it's thin. I feel like it's thinner than their other cardstock for whatever reason. Is not feeling as thick as what theirs are. And theirs are a little bit thinner than, you know, I would like them to be as well. So hopefully I'm conveying this in the correct way for you to understand. But it's not a deal breaker because it did shuffle really nicely. And, you know, I don't see that being too big of a deal. And again, if it snaps back and it regains its shape, I'm not too worried about it. And, you know, cardstock for me isn't a deal breaker. But anyway, I can go on. But I would love to know what you think. Is this disappointing to you, or is this really good for you? Are you excited about it? I think there's a lot of use to this. I think it'd be fun for the collector. I think it'd be fun for the Marvel fan. I don't think it would be a deck that I would be using on clients, but I think it would be fun for me personally, my family and friends who love Marvel, I think it would be fun for them as well. So again, let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. I appreciate the heck out of you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on the way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.